everyone, and today we're going to be making a new rug. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go over to Dexscreener and find a coin what you want to copy. Now this coin has to be trending, it has to be good. We recommend that you choose a AI coin because you know it's such a trending topic. As you can see, look, the literal top coin is AI. We have a lot more AI coins, so but I'm gonna pick the top coin because it's too obvious. Everyone knows top trending. Make sure it's past at least the top 8 or 9. As you can see, it just clicked on a random coin, and so I just clicked on a random coin, and as you can see, they rug pulled this one. It actually looked like it did pretty good. So you know, it's obviously a winning format. It got investors. Now, as you can see here, it did get some investors, and then obviously they sold some of the supply. They sold some supply, and they just sold all of it. So we're gonna be copying this one because you know it looks like this one is a winning format. Okay, so we just copy it. You know. Go to create your token on a website, you know, on a token launching website. I recommend using Luna because it gets your coin listed higher on Dexscreener, so you get more buyers. So you want to put your token name, token address. Now, the reason I say it gets listed higher, literally, bro, go type up on all these other, you know, websites like, I don't know, CoinFast, Easy Coin Wines, whatever. Bro, go watch their videos. They list the coin, get like maximum, you know, 50 buyers. No, not even that, like maximum 20 buyers. You know, they hold in. It's soul, and then yeah, but it's so unrealistic. Like a real coin gets buyers, sells, all from different wallets, you know, all differently, you know. But obviously in the videos they're faking it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to. So you want to put the supply as 1 billion. So you want to put 1 and then 9 save. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Now let me copy the image. You just want to save it like this. Just want to save it. There you go. Make sure it's a PNG file. Okay, nice. Here we come to the description. Now we're just gonna copy their description. Well, let me try to find it. It's probably on their Twitter. Okay, nice. So when you come over to the end, now these are they revoke access authority. So you want to select these so you can actually, you know, rug pull it. It's like these 3, and we're going to do creator info. Now this is truly optional, but we're going to do it so the coin adds legitimacy to the token, so you know more people think it's real, and the people actually sniping in the trances, you know, they're just gonna look at it and be like, okay, everything looks out, everything checks out, so pretty much yeah, and then they invest. Okay, so I'll come back when I've done this. Also for the social tags, we're gonna add social tags as well. Now this is optional once again, but I do recommend adding this. Same reason for this token, you know, no one's going to invest if you just, you know, if it's just a coin with no Telegram link or Twitter or website. It's just gonna look like a fresh coin on the market, you know, nothing's there. It's just some random like shit coin, I guess, with no socials attached to it. So yeah, I'll get back when I've made this. Okay, so there you go. I have the Telegram name, the Twitter, the website, whatever, all this stuff complete. So now you just want to, well, before you click launch, just connect your wallet. Simple as so. Confirm. Okay, nice. So now you want to click launch token. Just wait. Proceed. Confirm. Now the reason it says all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then you know, just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. It's pretty much the exact same. You just need to get your token address, you know, a little bit a different way. So yeah. So now we're waiting for it to load because we made our token. Just wait. Should come up any second now. Okay, there we go. Okay, your 2 minute is credit. Okay, so now you want to click copy. Click view on Solana button, just so you know you don't lose your coin. As you can see, there we go. Token computers, everything about that. You want to refresh the Solana page, refresh the token launch page. Wait for it to load, and you want to click on liquidity pool. It's going to open up Radium. You know, you can do it this way, or you can just go into Google and type Radium yourself. Whatever. Click on liquidity create. You want to click standard not MMB, my bad. Okay, so now you want to get your coin address. You know, click copy. Okay, now you want to swap this out for. Now you're gonna swap the bottom one out for Sol, and in the top one should go blank. There we go. Put your token address in there from the Solana Explorer, and then you want to click on your token. Okay, nice. So now we gotta make the liquidity. Simple process, just like this to 900%. So pretty much we own 900% of the supply. Nice. And then with your biggest Plus, you're not losing anything. You're just putting it into the liquidity. And then when you take it out, you get your money back. So it's literally just using your money for the liquidity. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm going to select 4 for a sol. You want to come here, select number 2, and then you want to click initialize liquidity pool. Now just wait for this. You should get a Phantom wallet pop up. Blah, blah, blah. Let's open this out. Okay, so it's taking out from a sol to your tokens. There we go, 900. Okay, so click confirm. Okay, your pool has been successfully created. Okay, so now you want to go over to portfolio, you want to go to standard, then you just want to keep refreshing on this page until you can see your liquidity pool. Now it's not here yet. It usually takes about 5-10 minutes to get here. But yeah, okay, so for now we're going to go back onto this Solana Explorer. You want to select your token address, and then you want to click onto any random coin, and then go over to the top, this line address, and just swap it out for your token name. Like this, and it should load onto your token. Just wait for this. Okay, nice. It's loading. Okay, there we go, it's loaded. As you can see, we added the liquidity, 900 million. Okay, so it's on. We have some buys and sells. These are just snipers there. Some of them are rare, I guess, if you got a good narrative, but... Okay, nice. So our coin is on the market. The current liquidity is 1K. Now, obviously, we own $400 of that, and the rest is liquidity, obviously $600. So whenever someone buys, we own 40% of the liquidity. So if this goes to 100K, then we make 40K pretty much. You know, if your coin goes to $1 million, then you make 400K. So yeah, guys, just imagine if your coin goes to like $10 million, and you know that's easy for $1 million. So you know it's pretty cool how this rug pulling stuff works. But it's actually, you know, it surprised me also. It's very simple. But yeah, so now as you can see, the perk created 2 minutes ago. We're just gonna wait. Guys, I'm just gonna wait like 5 to 10 minutes for the buyers to start coming because it hasn't been truly listed yet. You know, just seeing this is the coin. So I'll put on a time lapse, or you know, I'll come back. Yeah, no, I'll put in the time lapse and I'll come back in about, you know, 10, 20, 30 minutes. See how the coin's doing. You know, I'm gonna keep watching it, and then yeah, we're gonna, you know, rug it afterward. But yeah. You want to go over to Radium, just refresh. Okay, there you can see our precision is here. Now you just want to click over to this minus button right here. And then you want to, there we go, you want to slide this bar all the way to the right. Okay, there we go, we can take out 9 sol now. So we're going to take out this 9 sol, not yet. It says we can take out 1.7K. Now a lot of people's getting confused. Pretty much we own like half of this, you know, we don't own 1.7K. We'll get like 1K out, or like 1.1K, something like this. But yeah, let's go over to our coin. Let's see how it's doing. It's still getting buyers. The chart's looking pretty good. It's actually looking very healthy. It's just went up, down, transaction, you know, people bought the dip. Now I'm just waiting, you know, see what happens. I might rug pull it now because, you know, obviously people are going to sell if there's no motion in the coin. Yeah, okay, the motion has kind of stopped. Let's see if anyone's gonna buy in the last seconds. Okay, no, we're probably gonna rug pull it. So when you rug pull it, you wanna go over to Radium, you know, select it all the way to the top. Let me just refresh, make sure there's no more buyers. Go here. Okay, 1.9K. Okay, let's rug pull it. So then for first sol, you wanna click remove liquidity. Also, I told my mate to invest some money into this coin to show you what it would say when they try taking their funds out, you know, after you have removed the liquidity. And as you can see here, it literally just says, error fetching the code route. Please try changing the code, blah, blah, blah. And you want to click on the security check, whatever drives or password, whatever. Okay, there we go. Open it up. So I'm gonna click confirm. And then there you go. Remove liquidity confirmed. So now you want to go and open your wallet back up. Okay, there you can see 1,100. Now, it wasn't exactly the 1,700, you know, it was only like half of that. So 1,100. Now, we started off with, I forgot, we had like 3 or 4 sol. And yeah, so we've made a couple sol of this now. So this was actually a winning narrative, so I can see why this worked. But yeah, we got away with just a couple $100, almost $600, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to do this, go over to now. Guys, just a quick warning, I'm not saying like, though, go make a coin and it's gonna go to $1 million markup. Make a good coin, like go onto Dexscreener and actually pick a winning coin. Pick a coin that's working for, like, let me just go on this coin right here. Okay, 300k market cap is clearly a winning narrative, whatever this is. Let me turn it off the 1 second so it doesn't look. Oh, okay. This coin got rug pulled as well. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah. As you can see, they got a lot of buyers and we rug pulled it. You know, it's looking legit, I guess. So, you know, you want to be copying these narratives, what are actually working. Like, here's what, OCPM. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Some anime show or some shit. But yeah. So, guys, if you want to do this, then go over to Luna and go make a coin. And tell me how it goes, chat. Make a comment. Tell me your success stories. Tell me if you've done any reports in the past on how much you've made. Stuff like this. But yeah, guys, much love and look forward to seeing you in the next video.